Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and accessories, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you, this is my husband's wallet. I think this is a very old wallet. He had this when he was still studying college. So and it was an estimated 20 years already, and I think it held up pretty well. He hasn't conditioned this yet, but I can see no wear and tear. The stitches are very fine, and so still in very good condition. And I think this is one wear because he hasn't used conditioner in his leather things. This is genuine leather fossil. So fossil, I think, is really very high quality material, uses high quality material. So this one, I will share with you how I clean his wallet using my leather conditioner from Leather Cottage. Okay, so let's now start. So using a cloth, I have here a white cloth. We will place use this leather conditioner and wipe it in circular motion. So a little goes a long way. Smells nice. This leather conditioner really smells nice. Let's put on the back portion as well. I really love the design of this one. It's very nice and simple, and I was really impressed with the quality of the leather and the craftsmanship of fossil. Really nice, and it smells nice as well. The inside. Let's try the other side of the fabric. Let's see if the only wear that I can see is in this portion. It looks dry, but it didn't crack. So I will put the same on all the parts of the leather in a circular motion, and according to the instruction, gently rub the conditioner all over the leather with a soft cloth. So this is a soft cloth to ensure the leather continues to look at its shiny best, and use it at least once a month. Sorry, it's a bit dirty now. Look, some of the dirt. So it's transferring to my cloth. That's okay. At least I was able to clean his wallet as well, and I'm happy to do this for him because I really love to clean my things, my bags, my wallets, even though they are not pricey. I do take care of my things very well. The inside, some parts of it's not leather. I think this is canvas, but I just tried to wipe it. And on the middle portion, this one, Looks dry, but it didn't crack yet. It looks really, not really brand new, but I think that this leather is a really good quality one, considering that he hasn't used this for a long time. This was just in his closet, and so okay, so after cleaning, you let it dry in open air, and next month you do the same to preserve the quality of the leather, to avoid cracks. And this one doesn't have any, and I really hope that this would really last a long time, because as I have computed the years he has this in his possession, I think it's almost 20 years already. And now it looks really beautiful. I like it, and I know that he will use this again if he finds it in his closet in this clean condition. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.